In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Booking.com app on Android. We'll keep it simple and clear, and by the end, you'll have the official app ready to help you find stays, deals, and manage trips right from your phone. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. This is the trusted place to safely get apps. If you don't see it on your home screen, swipe up to open your app drawer and look for the multicolor play icon labeled Google Play Store. Then tap to open. At the top of the Play Store, tap the search bar. Type Booking.com and pause for a moment while the results load. You're looking for the official app titled Booking.com, Hotels and Travel, published by Booking.com. Checking the developer name helps make sure you're installing the real app and not an imitation. Tap the app in the results to open its page, then tap Install. The download size can vary, and the time it takes depends on your internet speed. If you're on a limited data plan, consider being on Wi-Fi so the download goes quickly without using mobile data. Keep the Play Store open while it downloads. When you see the installation complete, the Install button changes to Open. Tap Open to launch the Booking.com app right away. If you prefer to open it later, you'll also find the app icon in your app drawer or on your home screen. Inside the app, you can do the essentials you need for travel. Search and book hotels, apartments, and vacation rentals, often with free cancellation options depending on the property. Explore deals and discounts tailored to your destination and dates. Manage your reservations directly on your phone, so your confirmations and check-in details are always handy. In some regions, you can also book flights and car rentals, keeping more of your trip in one place. A couple of quick notes to keep things smooth. On some phones, you might see Update instead of Install, which simply means you already have the app. Tap Open to start using it. If the Install button is disabled, make sure you're connected to the internet and that your device has enough storage space for the download. That's all there is to it. You've opened the Play Store, searched for Booking.com, installed the official Booking.com hotels and travel app, and opened it. Now you're ready to browse stays, spot great deals, and keep your reservations organized wherever you go.